Hi, it's Glam with Maddie and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing you how I do my makeup for my volleyball tournaments. I really hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and keep on watching. So first of all, I have to tame my hair. So I'm gonna put it's already in a ponytail, but I'm gonna braid the ends and then I'm gonna slick back the front so it doesn't get too crazy. Since I have so many little hairs that don't fit all the way into the initial ponytail, I have to secure them back with a gel or a paste. Now here are some of my favorites and I use them depending on how much of a hold I want. So first off, this is just a regular gel by Tresemme. It's their Mega Sculpting Gel in 5. So this is the most secure of them. And well, for me, it's like my least hold of the others. So it works pretty well, but I wouldn't wear this on a tournament day. I'd wear this every day. Now this is my second most hold. It's my Chi Matte Wax. So this is more soft and pasty compared to the next one. I'll probably use this today. And then this is the Bedhead Manipulator Matte. It's really thick. So this is when I have really bad hair day and I really need to fix it. So I'm probably gonna go in with this all over the front and then any extra stragglers, I'm gonna use this. So let's just do it. Now the hardest spots of hair for me are these on the side and a few in the front. So now I'm just going to open this, take a little with my fingers, like that, rub it into both, and just really slide and press it into the areas that need a little extra help. Now on tournament days, I do this because since you're working out a lot and you're really playing sports, my hair gets crazy by the end of the day. It's a mess, or even by when the first match is over, it's just crazy. So when I do this, it kind of helps my hair stay all day so it doesn't become too crazy. Now I always do my brows on tournament days, so for this I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade, and I love this because it's waterproof and smudge proof, so if you sweat a lot you don't have to worry about your brows fading. So to use this, I'm going to use my MAC spoolie and my Anastasia brush in 15. It's like a mini one and it's dirty, but it still works really well. So first I'm going to brush all my brow hairs up. And I'm going to open this. I'm going to take the brush and I like to go a few swipes on one side and then flip it over, a few swipes that way. Now I'm going to just go in and do my brows how I normally do them. So I'm going to first start at the bottom, just going to draw on the line. I'm looking into a mirror. And then I'm gonna do the top line. Now I'm just gonna fill in between. Now I'm just going to brush them through again with the spoolie. Normally I like to carve out my brows with concealer, but since I'm not wearing any foundation or concealer, I'm going to take a Q-tip with some coconut oil. I'm going to just rub it on the back of my hand and carve it out with that. So normally I use coconut oil as a makeup remover, but if you don't have coconut oil, you can use any makeup remover. And I just really like how the final result turns out. Now, just using my fingers, I'm gonna rub in the coconut oil around my brows. Now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of my Hoola Light bronzer in my e.l.f. Flawless Face Brush. I'm just gonna dunk it in and just lightly, using very minimal pressure, bronze up my face. I'm not going to use any blush because my face is going to get really red when I'm playing in my tournament. Now for the best part, I'm going to take my MAC Soft and Gentle highlighter and my e.l.f. Pro or small tapered brush, because I love highlighter, so always got to have some of that on. I'm going to swirl it in, put it on the high points of my cheeks. Now I'm going to use my middle finger, take a little bit of the highlighter and put it on my inner corners and the tip of my nose. And also a little bit on my Cupid's bow. Now I'm going to curl my lashes using this Birchbox curler. Actually, my neighbor gave this to me, so thanks so much for that. So I'm going to really curl my lashes because I don't want to put on mascara. So if I wipe my face to like wipe off sweat, then it won't smear. But this still gives the effect of long lashes. You can really see the difference. Now I'm going to spray my face with a little bit of MAC Fix Plus spray. And we're all finished. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and if you like this video, I bet you'll like my others, so please subscribe and watch my other videos. Also give this video a thumbs up and follow my Instagram at GlamWithMaddie. See you in the next one. Bye!